Good evening. Mura ba niyo? Mura ba siya o tadhana? During my first assignment as OIC SDS Dapitan way back 2019, that was the first, that was also the time Ma'am Sharon was promoted as MD1. And she had her celebration in Dapitan City Resort Hotel. It was the time of Sir June, and I have with me that time my wife. And this time, what a coincidence, di ba? Wa lang lang ha. Niabot man siya rin ha, kaya gilingaw siya na ako. Okay, wala ko kaon dito Saturday o gahapon, Sunday. So, hanagin silang wife no, basta kayo makapangasawa o makapamana o buutan. Pili na kayong gwapo ng buutan. Kuno. So, my wife, ilailahan ninyo, Mary, and my one and only, ako ang girlfriend sa una.
Ex-girlfriend.
So, sa kanan, suna ko ba yung ibihin, no? Thank you so much, Ma'am Sharon, for the invitation, no? For making us be a part of your celebration. And congratulations, being promoted to Master 2 is really a great blessing. It's a blessing, it's an opportunity, it's elevating you to a higher power, authority, position. But according to Spider-Man, di ba? With great power comes great responsibility. Ma'am Sharon being promoted as a master teacher, is a great blessing, but your responsibility is no longer, it's not just your pupils, your learners. As master teacher, you have to, part of your KRA is to provide technical assistance, to assist, to mentor, to coach your co-teachers, to any school that you will be assigned. So with that, I would like to believe that you are really prepared for that, for any challenge, for any greater responsibility. And being gifted with this promotion is this is God-given according to Sir Dan. It's God-given, it's God's gift. And for me, having this promotion, the only way we can give back to God is to give our best. And we know you, Ma'am Sharon, you are really one of the best teacher in terms of delivering your mandate as a teacher. You're one of the best. So congratulations. So with that, Damay Banda, I'd like to sing a song for Ma'am Shawi and for everyone. Bahalag kuan, bili kayo ko mayong tingog, di ko prepared kay ingat ko yung na mayong mo. Sige lang.